Hi. What's this?
Coffee. Mm. Um,
No, yucky. I don't want that in my coffee. I don't want that in my coffee. No, thank you. No, thank you. I want my coffee. Coffee?
Yep. I like your coffee.
You like my coffee?
Yep.
Coffee. Hey, sit down, sit down. Is coffee good?
Yep.
You like it? What?
Chicken. Chicken.
Sit,
Huh?
sit. Thank you.
Chicken.
Drinking?
Chicken.
Sit. Coffee?
Yep.
Sit. Sit! Is it good?
Mama's coffee.
Mama's coffee. Hey, look at me. Mama's coffee?
Yep.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Tell me. You like it?
Yep.
Coffee?
Yep. No,
Why won't you do it when I have the camera? Funny thing, the cup is empty. Sit. Want coffee?
Yep.
Sit down. Stop peeling the tape. Coffee? Sit. Coffee? Sit. You like it? Tell me. You like coffee? Tell me.
Yeah, coffee.
Yay, coffee. Stop peeling the tape.
I like it. Coffee.
Coffee good?
Yep. Hey, coffee.
Oh, dear. What do you say?
Coffee.
Say, excuse me?
Give me.
You burped. Mama need to get another cup?
Yep. Ah.
Why don't you go wake Lydia up?
Okay. No, no. No, 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 no.
Why not?
Guys.
'Cause why?
No, no.
Why?
No, no. You vote.
That's Lena's boot.
No.
Go wake Lydia up.
No.
Why?
Guys.
'Cause why?
No.
Why?
No.
Don't you throw that.
Now. Hey, baby, boot.
Yeah, it's a boot.
My boot.
It's Lena's boot.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. 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 Mommy.
What? No.
Nugget.
Bless you.
I got to
Get over here. Who taught you to spit off the rail?
No. No. No.
Who spits off the rail? 'Cause that's gross.
Okay.
Liam.
What?
Who spits off the rail?
No. Thank you.
Who spits off the rail?
Walk.
Yeah, apparently you can't walk. Stop.
Mom.
Hey, who spits off the rail?